Losing your original SMSF Trust Deed can be serious, disrupting your ability to manage your fund effectively. As an SMSF trustee, keeping the trust deed is legally required. Losing it can hinder operations like bank accounts or loans. What steps can you take if you can't locate the original trust deed? Here's where you can search. If you can't find it, act quickly to avoid complications. You may need to seek court guidance regarding SMSF property. A common misconception is that you can simply replace a lost SMSF trust deed. It's crucial to understand the correct actions. In the case of Elisil P2I Ltd VSC 69, the court validated fund operations despite the original deed missing. Another case, Orlansky v. Spiegel 2015 VSC 6662, showed how a deed of confirmation can confirm a trust's validity. Trustees should seek legal advice, keep supporting documents, and ensure all amendments are executed properly. Creating a replacement deed can be simple. It takes just 10 minutes on our platform if you have evidence of the original. Visit trustdeed.com.au for more information and keep your SMSF in good hands.